Good morning. It is Sunday waffle time. 2016 Sexy Bird up for waffle. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Really appreciate you guys. We got 1 through 18 with 2 redraws, 8 and 16. So 1 through 18. Good luck. Let's get a winner. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. 7:14 start time. Let's check the proof. There's Venmo. And Clint paid. PayPal. Let's get a fresh random page. 18 spots with 2 redraws, secure lock, a valid certificate, a refresh. Good luck. Blue 2016. Big winner. 4. Congrats, lucky 4 with the win. Woohoo! Sweet win. 7:15. Sue Clark, number 4. Congrats. Sue, winner. Great hit. Sue pushed it. She got it. Congrats, winner. 7:15. Thanks again, everyone, for joining in. Really appreciate you. Have a great Sunday.